Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tune up your car in the CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the CSR2 game on your device, then go ahead and open it up. Now if you have already completed your tutorial, then you will gain access to the main menu from which you can upgrade your current vehicle as well as buy new cars. Now in order to tune up your car, simply tap on the tune option alongside the upgrade button. Once you tap on the tune button, this will load up the tuning window. Now you will automatically be recommended some upgrades if you have not made them in the past in order to tune up your car. You can tap on the upgrade button or skip this if you want to. Now after making the necessary upgrades, you will end up inside the tuning page. You will simply need to tap on the tune button and this will continue with the recommended tuning upgrade. And now your car has successfully been tuned. Now all that's left to do is test out your latest tuning by tapping on the race button. Just go ahead and tap on it and this will load the racing menu. And now you can test out your latest tuning with the car that you selected in the CSR2 game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to tune up a car in the CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.